Ah, you smell that? I smell sunscreen, that sea breeze, and some motor oil.
Yeah.
We're down in Ocean City talking about OC Jeep Fest with my friend Brad here. Hey, buddy.
What's going on, brother? We're down here on the beach, and we brought you a great lineup of Jeeps to talk about Jeep Fest, to talk about Jeeps, and to talk about how unique every Jeep is, its owner, and our event.
Excellent. And I'm looking at this first one. This is the Gladiator. I mean, you got the big tires on it.
Yes, you do.
You've got that suspension.
Right there.
That upgraded lift kit.
You got a winch right here.
What is this?
So that pulls you out of a situation if you get stuck. If you get in a situation where your Jeep is in the water or in mud, you can hook that into a location, whether it's a tree, another vehicle, and it'll actually pull you right out of it. And then you go over to this one, right?
Oh no, Brad, this thing is doing the pulling.
Yeah, that's right.
This thing is an absolute monster.
So this is a WJ right here. This is my Jeep. So you don't see a lot of these, but this is an older Jeep. It's lifted, it's got a king suspension on it. And this is just a very unique build right here. And just like unique builds, we have Ocean City Jeep Fest, which is one of the most unique Jeep events on the whole East Coast.
We're gonna see more stuff like this there?
Yeah, you'll see show and shines at the convention center. You're gonna see vendors at the convention center. We have people doing tire and wheel installations and sales on site, sound systems, audio systems. We have a vintage Jeep display inside the building where you'll see some of the most amazing Jeeps ever in the country in one location. You're also gonna have a design your own Jeep area for the kids, RC Jeeps, everything that you could want in the whole Jeep world. And if you're a 4x4 guy, you can still come in, but this thing's really about putting these tires on the sand and riding down the beach for the beach crawl.
Oh, amazing. And this event sounds huge.
It is.
So how many people are you really expecting to be here?
So we're expecting about 6,000 to 8,000 people coming to Jeep Fest this year. Over 1,000 Jeeps are registered. And in the end, that's excitement. But what's most exciting is every owner coming in with their families, their friends, their kids, and smiling. When you see those people driving down the beach and the smiles are big and the tires are on the sand, nothing can replace that, right? But this year it's even crazier because we have the air show on that weekend. So you might be on your Jeep on the beach and see an F-16 going overhead.
So you've got Ocean City by land, by air, and by sea.
We got it going on, and it's August 22nd through the 25th at the convention center. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, 10 to 5 is when we're open there. And then the beach crawls happen in the morning at about 7:15. We start out about 8 o'clock. We hit the sand and we go up to 30th Street. And then we also have a sand course built by Delmarva Jeep Events right on the north side of the pier. So really the hub of everything is the convention center. You can find out more about the event by going to ocjeepfest.com.
Excellent.
But really our Facebook page gives them a lot of info, but I love it, man. When we bring these people together, just like you checking out these Jeeps, dude. And would you like this one?
This one, I love the color, the Rubicon, and all the way from New York too. You've got people coming in from all over the country.
Yeah, we do. We have people that come from all over the East Coast. They could come from Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, Virginia. We've had people come from Florida and Nevada for this event. So it really has done something for the town where they have a long period stay. They come in on Tuesday or Wednesday, they stay through Sunday, and that really helps the economics of the town. And we also do after parties, so you have your badge, you come to our after parties, you get a deal. You can have a drink, you can have some food, and you get deals on all that. So we try to build value in for the Jeep participant, not just to come by day, but in the evening as well. And when they come to our event, they see myself and my team, and we do everything we can to make their experience amazing.
And I love music. I hear, especially there's a Nashville theme going on this year. Tell me all about the music that we can see.
Coast Country and Coast TV is presenting this big concert August 24th, and it's going to be at the Performing Arts Center. We have Jason Michael Carroll, Sam Groh, Blake Wood, and Rich LaFleur, and it's all to benefit Jeepers for St. Jude, and it's in the Performing Arts Center, and you can get tickets at etix.com, or you can get them at the building, but that's one of our big ways of giving back is this big country concert. We're turning up the volume on Jeep Fest this year.
Yeah, we got big country, but even bigger tires, and every car you've shown me today has been so different, it's so unique.
Yeah.
Even this one with the eyelash.
Yeah, well, she's a part of the Ocean City Jeep Club, and you can see that this is personality, right? Sunshine is the name of her Jeep. A lot of people name their Jeeps different names, and it just extends their personality onto their vehicle, and they go out and they hang out together. They do a lot of great extracurricular activities where they raise money for schools and nonprofits. I've never seen anything like the Jeep community coming together to help each other and to help others when they do their thing, and we just are a big platform. We're like the canvas, but the Jeeps are like the paint.
Brad, hey, thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend. It's been amazing.
I can tell how passionate you are, not just about Jeeps and about community. And that's what Ocean City Jeep Fest is going to be all about. Not just the cars, but the community. So looking at all of these is just a quick preview of what you're going to see this week. Can I say, Delmarva, start your engines. Yes! All right, CoastLife, we're going to be right back just after this.